cubic void, if you would like to see, cubic void, if you like to see, it is present right inside this empty space. This empty space is nothing but your cubic void. You can imagine cubic void like a body center, but you should know it is SCC, and the space empty inside is nothing but cubic void. And you can imagine cubic void like BCC. Only thing is the body center is your void. Void means empty space. It is surrounded by 8 sphere, therefore coordination number of cubic void is 8. That is the highest coordination number of the void. Radius ratio, if you calculate by using a proper trigonometry, then the radius ratio will give you R by capital R as 0.732, where small r stands for radius of the cubic void, capital R stands for radius of the sphere which makes up cubic void, and 0.732, that is the largest value for any void around. The void is completely inside the unit cell and it is not shared by any other unit cells. So, number of spheres making SCC, that is rank, is 1, and number of cubic void is also 1. So, how many cubic voids are present per sphere? Number of cubic voids present per sphere is 1. So, what is the position of cubic void? Cubic void is at body center of SCC, that is 1. Then how many cubic voids are present per sphere? Answer is 1. For simple SCC, how many spheres make up SCC unit cell? 1. How many cubic voids are present? 1. So, number of cubic voids per sphere is 1. Summary for all. Trigonal void, the value was 0.155 times of R. Tetrahedral void was 0.225 of R. Octahedral void is 0.414 of R. Cubic void is 0.732 R. So, we can clearly understand the smallest is trigonal void and largest is cubic void. Number of tetrahedral void per sphere is 2. Number of octahedral void per sphere is 1. Number of cubic void per sphere is 1. You should know tetrahedral void and octahedral voids are present in ABAB or ABCA packing. That means they are present in HCP and FCC, while cubic void is present in SCC, that means present in AAA type of a packing, while trigonal void is commonly found void right everywhere, commonly found void everywhere. So, that was all about voids to understand. So, we come to the end of the entire void and void related discussion. Thank you.